How to upload resume on LinkedIn. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in the video I will going to show you how you can upload your resume on LinkedIn in your phone. So first of all, open the LinkedIn application on your phone. So once you launch the application, on the upper left corner tap on your profile icon. Now after that, go into the settings. Once you go into the settings, tap on data privacy. Now scroll down and under the job seeking preferences section, tap on job application settings. Now after that, tap on upload your resume. Now from here on, you can upload your resume on LinkedIn just like that. So as you can see, upload my resume here. And if you also want to apply on jobs and you want to apply on you have to send the resume on job, simply select the job, tap on easy apply. Now from here on, you can also upload your resume. Okay, so just like that, you can upload the resume on LinkedIn. That is it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.